These are my nephews.
Initiating system 1. System 1 loaded.
What's up YouTube, this is your boy Demon Rides reporting from Namma, Bengaluru. Today guys, we are gonna change the rear sprocket, the right pipe, and what else bro? The disc pads of my RS200. And look who I have here. These are my nephews. And my friend Kishore over there is helping. This is the guy who showed me the middle finger in the Duke race, guys. This is the guy. Look at this face. The culprit. So the whole assembly costs like around how much? Okay, the chain sprocket will cost 1,530 rupees. Damper will cost 126. Handlebar tube assembly costs 172. Brake pad front 163. Brake pad rear 185. The total cost 2493. And that's expensive. So we are not mechanics. So for the first time we are doing this, we really don't know like how to do this. I hope we do. Yeah, it goes smooth and we don't wreck the shit out of the bike. Okay guys, finally somehow we managed to loosen this nut. Yeah, we can remove the wheel now. Finally, we did it. He sure did it. Dude, hey! Yeah! We managed to get it out. ಇವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಡಲ್ಲ. Look at this. Look at this guys. Record ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Took us 9 minutes to remove it. Okay, so this is the sprocket. It's completely gone. Dampener, yeah. This is called this dampener, guys. This video is gonna be a long one, so bear with me. Dampener. We are not mechanics. We are doing this for the first time. We have not seen any video there. We are just using our talent.
We got talent.
Look at this. I'm bleeding. Yeah, I'm bleeding. Look at this, guys. I'm bleeding. We fixed the rear sprocket. This is the new rear sprocket, and we are removing the front sprocket now. So we got a new what is that spanner called as? Tube spanner, 8 size. So that is how we remove the front sprocket, guys. This is how it is, guys. Inside we have to remove those two. Okay, this is how it is. Let it focus. Yeah, we have to remove those two nuts, and the rear front sprocket will come off. We have to hold it. Okay, just hold on. Pull madu. Pull madu. Madu. So to remove the swing arm we need bigger tools, so we are taking it to the mechanic because tomorrow morning I have a ride at 6 a.m. Stop fighting. I'm gonna kill you, man. Stop fighting. Look at my hand. Look at my hand.